Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally say shall never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. I bring all the latest happening to you. In fact, I bring the world closer to your doorstep. So, without not wasting much of your time, let us go into the reason why we are here. In fact, a lot has been going on. But before we continue, I want us, in a standing and in a clapping ovation, I want us to clap for Dr. Ngozi. You get why? This one small. Let's clap for her again. Oh my goodness, this woman, they bust a lot of people brain. In fact, we have to clap for her again. Before you hear the cocoa, clap wherever you are. Oh. Now, I want to let you know that there is a particular message that she sent 10th of May 2025. This particular message ring bell. She even include the 4 persons that were arrested with Simon EKPA and the purpose why Finland arrested these people. She include everything. Let us listen to this message first. Then we go conclude them later on.
We are waiting for the indictments that Finland, is going to come up with. Biafra, we are a sovereign nation, and we are waiting for that.
Do you know the significance of that word, Finland? We are waiting. I don't know if you get it. So bold. This woman, she is so bold. Like, Finland, we are waiting. For you to know, say, Finland understand the game. She said, Finland, we are waiting. I bet me will clap for this woman. Biafrans, clap. So, me will continue first. Let's still hear from her more.
We are waiting to see how this game will end between Finland, Nigeria, and the United States of Biafra. According to the Finland Criminal Police Bureau Department, they went on this nationwide investigation, both in Nigeria and everywhere. I don't even know, everywhere, possibly America. I believe they told the American government that I am a terrorist, and they needed that investigation. But guess what? America told Finland to go to hell.
Yes.
America told Finland to go to hell. You have no clue what you are talking about. How can you leave the Nigerian terrorist state? President Tinubu, that is the real terrorist, and you are trying to label people like us as terrorists. They tried. I'm telling you, Finland approached America, but they failed woefully. Woefully, because America is a country that is built on the rights of the citizens.
In fact, these are some of her truths. She gave it to them back to back. She said she don't know why the Finland government are acting this way. For Nigeria, on continued detention of Simon EKPA, Dr. Ngozi, she placed Finland where they belong. Abemo will clap for her again.
They know what being independent means. They know what self-determination means. They will know what self-defense means. So when Finland came with that globalist agenda, they are operating in Europe with Netherlands, with Norway. America told them to go to hell. That is why they could not proceed with their lies, with their fake investigation in America. But did they try? Yes, they did. Did they inform American FBI? Yes, they did. I know they did. So we are waiting.
I love that statement. We are waiting.
We are waiting for see how it's going to end up. How our Prime Minister, Simon EKPA, from this Nigerian terrorist state, we are waiting to see how Finland is going to label our Prime Minister a terrorist person, a terrorist sponsor. They've already labeled some innocent Biafrans as terrorist financiers. Remember, Finland arrested 4 innocent Biafrans alongside our prime minister. And according to them, they investigated. We have all the questions they asked these innocent individuals, innocent Biafrans. Finland labeled them terrorist financiers just because they do not want to cohabit.
You know why I'm saying this? In one of the Finnish broadcasting platform on Twitter, where we got the news that the Finland authorities said they suspect Simon EKPA of the crime accused him of by the federal government of Nigeria. Then when this news broke out, the Deputy Prime Minister, Dr. Ngozi, she was so annoyed. In a statement issued on Tuesday, she said that the investigation by Finland Central Criminal Police is a shame, driven by political and economic interests. She really accused the president of Finland and his administration of aiming Nigeria in suppressing the Biafra self-determination movement. As I told you before, according to that broadcasters platform, they also say that they now believe that Simon EKPA is really inciting the crime that they said is inciting people about. They suspect that he commit those crimes, all those things, blah, 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 and also participating in the activity of terrorist group. I am like, shoo. And Dr. Ngozi further claims that neither EKPA nor any senior USB official has been interviewed by Finnish authorities, despite their leadership roles in declaring Biafra's sovereignty on November 29, 2024. She expressed concern over what she called the misuse of unverified intelligence from Nigeria, including bank account closure and terror-related accusations without independent verification. She went further to say that if there were legitimate inquiry, why haven't Finland consulted Biafra representative? Why are documented human rights abuses by Nigeria being ignored? These are many other things she said. She also warned that Helsinki prostrate not only damage Finland's democratic image, but also enable a dangerous percentage of transactional repression targeting peaceful secessionist advocacy under the guise of insecurity enforcement. Dr. Ngozi called for an immediate halt to what she described as politically motivated persecution of Simon EKPA and other Biafran leaders, including Nnamdi Kanu, who remains in detention in Nigeria. In fact, she concluded by urging global powers to speak out, warning that silence will embolden authorities' tactics and escalate threats to Christian community and global stability. As I talk am before, make we clap for her. Now we woke up to a breaking news from Dr. Ngozi, the Biafra Deputy Prime Minister. This is what she wrote. Update from Finland. All charges dropped and case dismissed for the 4 United States of Biafra citizens. All charges as terrorist financiers for the 4 innocent Biafrans arrested in conjunction with our PM Simon EKPA by Finland have been dropped and case dismissed and discharged due to lack of evidence. We will clap out for God for this one. And may we also give to Dr. Ngozi. Let's continue. This decision and update was made in Finland and communicated to the United States of Biafra government today, May 14, 2025. While the USB government welcomed this development, it will be for the interest of Finland as a nation of integrity to further investigate how these purported charges, brutal arrests that led to the nearly loss of life of one of the innocent Biafrans, incarcerated for over 30 days in solitary confinement, shut down of their businesses, shut down of their means of livelihood, adding their names on terrorist watch list happened in Finland. The pains and losses that these four innocent Biafrans went through and our PM Simon EKPA still going through in these past 6 months in Finland cannot be swept under the rug, especially as these allegations came from the Nigerian state under President Tinubu and Defense Chief Christopher Musa, known to reintegrated known terrorists such as Boko Haram, etc., into the Nigerian military police and the banking system. Nigeria has been declared as the most of dangerous place for Christians to live. The United States of Biafra awaiting the release of Prime Minister Simon EKPA, who will still be held in solid confinement by Finland. Meanwhile, the United States of Biafra has informed appropriate quarter of this confinement, intimidation, facilitation of terrorists by the Nigerian state, transactional repression and collusion with countries to temper on the fundamental and basic rights of innocent Biafrans to self-determination, self-defense, and freedom. So, my beautiful family, this is coming to you from the Deputy Prime Minister, Dr. Ngozi, where she made her voice known to the Finland, the reason why Mazi Simon EKPA, the Biafra Prime Minister, should be released. And also, she also explained some things that led to them saying that they want to leave Nigeria. They don't want to be part of Nigeria anymore. And also, she made her own point where she said Biafra was redeclared in the same Finland, seeking 29th of November 2024. So she bring all this to notice and she called on the immediate release of Simon EKPA and the 4 persons since the charges is no longer needed. So my people, let us clap for her one more time. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It is not easy. So, my beautiful family, I have come to give you the breakdown of what she wrote. So, if prevention, something changed along the line, trust progress the analyst, I will bring it for you. I will allow you to know about it. I will let you know about it because this is one of the reasons why you have progress the analyst. And this is one of the reasons why you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel because here we'll give it to you back to back. And also, turn on the bell icon whenever you subscribe so that whenever I drop any update like this, you'll be the first to notify. Remember, progress the analyst is here to bring the world closer to your doorstep. All the kwa, all the kwe, all the he news, you will be getting them back to back. I know for sure. I bet me gonna clap for progress the analyst. I did try. Even if nobody praise me, I praise myself. Clap for me, Jean. Yes. Yes, so progress the analyst, the number one. It's not easy. I am telling you, it's not easy. But believe me, what I go do with that now? Now they send me, they go. Say, go and gather this news, go and bring this news, give us authentic, give us genuine, and I'm ready to serve you. Like, I will bring all the updates all over the world and bring that to you because my fan base, I know the reason until they play. So please, thank you so much and do well to share our videos. Thank you and bye for now.